Where is Shashwat?
Shashrik, man, Jesus Christ.
Shashrik.
Oh, okay.
You've spoken to him for over an hour and you're asking.
Wait, what? Shosh, I
didn't
thought
know
these were
his-
supposed to be your
I didn't know
friends.
his name was Shashrik.
What the what?
Oh, God.
I thought it was Shashwat.
Welcome back. We are having a different time, different setup. We have three other voices here with us. You guys want to introduce yourselves because I can't.
Let the heartthrob go first.
Oh.
You know, after he introduces himself, all chicks are gonna tune in, right?
Yes, I need man marketing done, bro.
Let's go. You chick magnet, hurry you. Go ahead.
Bro, they left the video when we both joined. Don't worry.
Okay. Well, I'm Shrihari. I'm Shash.
Yeah, and I'm
Sirish?
Sirish.
Nice, very nice intro. Beautiful intro.
Yeah, it's the most awkward
Yes.
intro
The most
on
awkward
planet.
intro.
You guys are talking well.
Yeah, speaking of the United game, fun times.
See, I have one problem. I was watching it on Hotstar. I don't know who they start comparing Cavani to Martial. That triggered me. That gave me Twitter PTSD because one, you're stupid. Okay. Two, it was stupid. They're comparing a left winger, saying he drifts left, and it is wrong for him to do that when he's wearing a number 9 shirt.
Oh, wow.
I better comment.
Hey, not gonna lie, we have some beef with the commentators ourselves. I mean, I'm gonna roll a clip on our channel, but Shash, you remember City game?
Yeah. Oh no, just let it slide.
Let it slide.
Did it slide? That's how we got it.
You know, you're lucky actually that the latter part of that conversation didn't make it onto the internet
Yeah.
Oh my god.
because of what you said.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember.
I remember that very clearly.
I think I said something. No, just let it go again.
Yeah,
something about
let's not
Sterling
go
and
there.
his
Wow.
and his something.
No, I think that part made it in. The one before that, it was about Sterling,
I
but
think I know what.
yeah,
you're
yeah,
talking about.
let's
I don't
not
think I
go
should say
there.
it.
But anyways, as a United fan, how was the match in general? Apart from obviously the wonderful commentary.
Kill me.
He zoomed in.
Wait, what is this? The second. This is the reverse fixture, right? The first one you lost at home. No, was it? No, not at home. Sorry, it was at. Never mind.
Oh, they lost.
Hey,
What a
did
surprise.
they lose to Sheffield?
They did.
Oh.
Let's not pull shade because we've done some pretty
No,
stupid
I
stuff.
know
ourselves.
we did some
Yeah.
shit. But then,
We lost to Sheffield.
no, we didn't.
We lost to Sheffield.
No, we didn't.
Effectively,
Well,
No, we didn't.
No, we haven't.
We didn't.
We haven't. Hopefully, we never will. But
I think the 20th.
We're
no?
playing them soon. No? Sheffield United. I think
Chef
Sheffield United's next game is against Liverpool. Come on.
No, West Ham.
West.
No, it's Sheffield.
Yeah, it's West Ham
Sheffield.
this week. It's West Ham this week.
I think Sheffield next week.
Next game week is Sheffield. No.
Yeah.
And City is, I think, a couple of. I think City is in. Yeah, City is also there in Feb.
Yeah, no,
Yo.
we're playing Brighton next week after West Ham, and then we're playing City. I think after that it's Sheffield.
I don't want to play Brighton.
Why?
Can we just hit skip on this fixture? Simulate.
Because Brighton are too good.
I just want to
think there's no
simulate
alternative.
match.
What?
I can't sit through that.
I remember the United Brighton game.
I remember the
biggest,
Liverpool Brighton
robbery
game.
of,
Have you? Oh my god. But yeah, regardless, obviously, I've been onto the internet and everybody's having a meltdown because apparently Bruno Fernandes wasn't sent off.
Why would he be sent off? I don't see the problem. with
Yeah,
that.
my question exact. Regardless of my hatred for United, I don't think that was a red card. That was a yellow at best. At best. And
Maguire misses his next game. That's his fifth year of the season.
Sirish. Wait.
wait, who is gonna play?
Right.
Lindelof and Bailly.
I hope not. That's when we played 3 at the back and 2 in backs.
Yeah.
Those are the days.
Valencia and Young.
And
Good
then
times, good times.
Life came fast. Yeah.
Oh god. It didn't come
But anyways, see, it's like a 0-0 draw again. I think you lost the one fixture 1-0 reverse fixture and then draw 1-0. Is it frustrating
Okay,
to?
wait. Wait up, man.
No. I'm just asking you. Is it frustrating to have these results against Arsenal in particular?
Once
Because
again,
out of the traditional top six, they're probably the most shite team.
Hey, Sarish,
that would be
stop being salty.
no, that
Stop
would be
being salty.
we have lost to Arsenal.
Oh yeah, it's like the cheese touch. They pass it on to you.
Yeah.
Mm.
We are officially Banter FC, but we are on the top 4. Arsenal will be
Oh yeah.
Ninth? They're ninth?
Chelsea
They're ninth? They're eighth or
Yeah.
ninth?
They're above Chelsea.
Scroll to the bottom.
with a game in hand. Chelsea have
What? There is Arsenal.
No, but to be very honest,
Second
this
game,
would
yeah.
actually be embarrassing for Chelsea if Arsenal finish the season above them.
Wait, I'll text Yasser right now.
especially after how much shit they gave Arsenal when they had that bad slump.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, you know what? This actually gives me the confidence that we can still win the league because if Arsenal can actually climb their way all the way from 15th to
9th.
yeah,
We're gonna-
so I think
No,
this is
they're
still
gonna
fairly
go down.
doable.
Even if Chelsea draw, they're gonna go down again. They're gonna be under Chelsea.
Arun, I had a question for you. How does it feel that the best club in London is West Ham?
Oh, what? Oh, okay.
Especially since they signed Lingard now.
Yeah.
The star.
Hey, no,
I
you
don't
should
know,
be
right?
upset on
Yeah.
losing. You should be upset about losing him.
I just took the L, but I don't know how he does it.
Keep
JD.
the morning routine, Ethan.
Wait, are we torturing the Spurs fan next?
Yeah.
No.
Hey, what? So fantastic.
Yeah, let's talk about the Liverpool game.
Yeah,
In which
exactly.
case, Liverpool Spurs. People call. I don't think it was a Mourinho masterclass this time. It was a Hugo Lloris masterclass.
No, shut up.
No, I'm serious. The man is too good.
I didn't watch the game and was highlights. Give me a 5 second description of the game.
5 second summary.
Sentence.
No, I'll give you a 5 second summary.
Like a sex type. Continue.
Improvising good.
Bobby,
We got kicked in the
Firmino,
ass. We got
then
kicked in the ass. We got kicked in the ass.
You know, I think we can sum it up. It was
Hey.
Hugo Lloris fuck up after fuck up. Obviously Højbjerg screamer. Surprisingly, Bobby getting onto the score sheet, which
Oh, he scored, huh? Oof.
I was as shocked as you.
Yeah.
Oof.
I thought the man didn't have it in him, but every time we play Tottenham, apparently he turns into R9. There's that, and then
Mane, oh shit, my FPL took a hit then.
Mane had a brilliant game.
Mane had a brilliant game.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. That was
He scored 2 goals, I think.
No, one.
No, wait, he assisted one and he
He
scored
assisted
one.
one and he
He
scored one.
assisted one and scored one, yeah.
Who scored the third
Trent.
one then?
Trent scored the second one, Mane scored the
Trent.
third. And I feel like,
Oh,
thank
yeah.
God, it was about time Trent had a goal contribution because it's going to do his confidence the world of good.
Yeah, because he's been absolutely shit. I think we spoke about how Van Bissaka has been outperforming Trent in recent times as well. See, you see how
Defensively,
happy
yes.
Hazard-
Defensively, definitely.
Yeah, defensively, yes.
Offensively, when has he done better?
True. Trent is definitely not a defender.
Yeah,
My granny can defend better. But
Okay.
all I'm saying is
Wow,
we've
that
never
was
had
very good.
heart palpitations as much as when like the opposition player gets onto the left wing. Because we know Trent can't defend for shit. And you know the ball is coming in.
Trent can defend how you guys are defending your time.
Fair enough. I think we deserve that.
Yeah,
Okay.
we do.
Let's
Spain
talk
time.
for like 2 minutes. How does it feel to be the worst champions ever to play the Premier League? Defending team, that is.
I wouldn't say worse because technically Chelsea
Yeah.
still had that one season where they finished 10th after winning the title.
Yeah, but Chelsea isn't, a good football club. Just
Really want it out there.
Hey, time to call Yasser and just tell this.
Hey, no, I feel like, this is probably the best excuse. I'm going to take the easy way out. Injuries.
Injuries.
expected that.
You can't say no because they honestly don't have any.
Listen, if I were to break Bruno Fernandes's legs, where would you be on the table?
Probably second.
No.
No chance.
No
Bad,
chance.
bad idea.
Oh yeah, wait.
In the last
Pogba
5
is there to take over. Man's gonna teach Luke Shaw how to dive.
5 years.
Wait, have you seen that clip of Pogba? He's like, just go down, man.
I don't think. See, you guys are fucking misinterpreting it. I think he said pass, not go down.
No, he said go
Oh,
down. It was
He
so
said go
obvious.
down specifically.
That's not how you ask him to pass. No,
No, like that's how you cross. Like
Like this is
like this. Why didn't he do this then?
This is
He
all
asked
an
him to do
excuse.
this.
It's all an excuse.
anyways, moving on. Wait, what was I saying?
You were saying worst champions, yeah.
Yeah, worst champions.
No, but the excuse of injuries, if we were to take away Fernandes, Pogba, most of your midfield, and United's creativity would go. They wouldn't have anything.
Yeah,
Point.
Van de Beek, seriously, doesn't even get game time right now. He wouldn't even get.
he'd get game time.
No,
but
he is good though. He is good
He is
though.
good, but I don't think he's at the level of.
Games he's played, he's had only one bad game.
Yeah, but I don't think he would have stepped up to Fernandes' level. That's
No
my.
one can step up to Fernandes' level.
Yeah. So the same thing.
But Fernandes' level is miles away from.
Hey, wait. We need to clown on the Spurs fan some more.
Why? Wait, he's climbing up. He's still under.
He's still under West Ham, yeah.
They were leading the league at a point of time. Cannot
Yeah,
be
exactly.
I
from
called
that,
it.
yeah.
I knew they'd bottle it.
If
When
I'm
he
not
said-
wrong, even Chelsea were leading at some point.
Yeah.
of time.
Oh,
Chelsea
right.
was
now,
leading recently.
No, wait. Tottenham
Tottenham
Chel-
were.
Chelsea never went to
was
top
being
five.
the keyword there.
Villa went to the top. Surprising.
Villa and Leicester.
No, that was short term.
What?
Everton.
Everton. Oh yeah, Everton were on top. Damn. That was
Oh,
just
yeah,
sad.
they were on top.
So,
What a season, man. Season.
Now they're bottling it up brilliantly.
It's what they deserve, but okay.
Exactly.
Who deserves? Everton.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, Merseyside. Okay. So see, here's what I have. The problem I have with everyone saying in Spurs, Southampton and Everton would stay on top. They are mid-table teams. So the fact that they were even in the top 6 is an achievement for them. And I'm not, no disrespect, but they wouldn't have stayed there for long. Everton fans thinking they were going to win the league, which is
nah.
I can't.
Those all are drugs they were taking.
Those were the most
all
blessed few days of my life when Everton fans were thinking they would win the league.
oh god.
But
'Cause I
on a
knew.
serious note, I think this year's title race is extremely close. I think there are so many teams.
It's not going to be once City win their
No,
game in
once
hand.
City, yeah, once they do. But will they?
They.
I really don't think.
Who was their next game against?
Burnley. I think they're going to lose.
Oh, please. Burnley always get belted 5-0 minimum by City.
I think
Minimum.
one with like a 89th minute header or something.
It's possible. It is possible. They can. If Burnley can do it to Liverpool, anyone can do it to Liverpool. But if Burnley can do it to,
I could do it to Liverpool at this point.
United last season.
they did to United.
This is where
No,
That's
guys. Regardless of what we may say, they might have done it to City if it was the beginning of the season. Right now, it just doesn't look like anybody can stop them. I know, but have you seen their depth? They don't need De Bruyne.
They don't need him.
We just stare at him until he talks properly
Yes.
about Spurs.
What? Bro, it was so disappointing to see them lose Liverpool because I really expected them to, win like 2-1 or something. But then stupid Lawrence doesn't know where the ball goes. It's all
That's
right.
how he is in bed.
It's frozen again.
That frame is amazing. That's how low.
That's gonna be the thumbnail.
oh,
Hey,
You missed church for this, sir. Arun?
I don't think he's feeling the Holy Spirit today.
Oh, the holy things he did yesterday will compensate for that.
Hey, wait, I thought it. No, let's not.
You really want to go there?
No.
No.
Religion is a very sensitive issue.
Okay.
Just because we're in India.
Oh yeah.
True.
Oh, wow. It would be very controversial if we started it.
No, there is a very good chance they're already watching us right now. They're just waiting for us to make a comment.
Where's my orange t-shirt?
You know who.
This is the closest to orange ever.
Guys, red is very close to orange, so you know where my loyalties lie.
I'm wearing green. I'm wearing kind of green.
You know what country's color
dead.
is green?
We're dead.
You know what? Yeah. You know what country's color?
I'll give you a hint. There are neighbors.
This is
Yes,
not
they
it.
would.
This is the answer itself.
Nepal.
Guys, we're straying off topic. Arun, speak about Spurs.
Oh yeah, Arun's pain.
What? Speak about Spurs. It's disappointing. That's all. That's like the one definition.
With Chumma putting salt on that.
Yeah, I
green.
think he's had enough. He just doesn't want to go on about this.
Yeah, if only he put salt with his vodka yesterday.
If only. Arun, always remember God is watching you.
Okay.
Okay.
Especially when you cheese at night. Please censor that, I'm sorry.
Good one, good one.
With Spurs, just like Arun is. We are done with Liverpool. Just
We're
like-
done with Liverpool. We're done with Spurs. We're done with Arsenal. We're done with Man U. So that's
We
like our
never-
quota for the day.
Hmm.
No. I think we're never done with Liverpool until and unless we don't mention that 7-2.
Oh no, the pain of that. It will always leave a scar in the back of my mind.
I think for Arun it's 6-1.
Yeah, for Arun it will
Hey,
be.
that- Oh yeah.
Look at his face.
I'm pretty sure he went to church after that. I'm 100% certain he went to church after that.
God, what is?
Please pardon my sins or whatever.
What sins the. Oh yeah, true.
I just realized we've not had a good win.
No, your voice
God,
cut off. We've
your
not
voice
had a good what?
We've not had a good win in the Premier League this season. Not one good win. Except
Oh,
the comebacks.
easy.
We've had one,
Easy.
and that's about it.
You guys beat Leeds 6-1, man. That's kind of great.
Yeah, shit, I forgot about that. What a game.
McTominay went into prime Ronaldo or something like.
Sauce. Yeah. It was his haircut.
I have him on my bench for some reason.
Why?
I don't know.
How much is he?
It's 4-5 million something.
5 point something.
Seriously?
Really
Yeah.
cheap.
Oh, I should consider getting him in next week. Okay, let's talk FPL. Arun is a big noob. He's still watching me and learning. So we're never going to learn.
Yeah, I went.
Oh wait, yeah. Here's a good thing to do. Can all of you just go to your FPL and tell me the points you've scored so far?
I've deleted that.
Not
tell
this
you.
week. Not this week. Not this week.
Not
Wait,
this
wait,
week.
wait,
I'm saying in total.
Oh, in total.
I've
in
deleted
total.
that.
Oh, you
Total,
deleted the yeah. Hurry, deleted the app. Don't worry, I'll do the math later and add it when I'm editing this.
What's your total?
No, I'm not gonna start first. I asked.
Alphabetically. Arun. It's going to make all of you
Wait,
feel
I have
bad.
to update the app. I haven't opened it.
I will do Arun for you.
No, I have to update the app. I haven't opened it.
Yeah, we'll just go online and check.
9 seconds.
Check my points also. Just
Oh, wow.
for-
How am I supposed to do that?
No, wait. You always want to take guesses for everyone's FPL.
Wait, I just have one question. Hey, wait, what the hell? Did they update it right now?
Yeah, they just updated it.
Dude, I just climbed to second in the league.
I climbed to 5th.
How the hell are you fifth?
Where am I?
I'm only 11 points off you. Haha.
I was so happy that you weren't even in the top
Yeah,
15.
I know.
But you know what? You actually owe it to me. Your 2 biggest FPL weeks, I've set your team.
Yeah, I know.
The worst part is, I asked you to bring in John Stones and Zaha, and I didn't do it
You
myself.
didn't do it.
That was, yeah.
This
trying
is a
to-
habit now. I help people set their FPL teams. I don't
You
do
helped
the
me
change.
during my free hit. When
Yeah, I
when
helped you
did
during the free hit as well. You got what, 80, 90 points?
Yeah, I got 95 or 96.
Okay, I'm going to guess. I'm going to let you guys guess Arun's points.
I think.
Is it above a wait? Is it above 1,000?
I'm not going to comment on that.
I
Which
think
means
I
it's
think
not.
so. Let me say. I think 900.
I think it's freeze.
I think it's 950.
I think 900.
It's freeze time for the. Oh my God.
Yeah,
So,
he's
yeah,
just
fine,
he's
take
just
He's just
left.
vibing Spurs, yeah.
Hari, what do you
Spend
think?
What do you think Arun's points are?
69, perfect number.
69.
Close enough.
Completely.
760. Holy
769. Hey, not bad, not bad for somebody who's learning.
Yeah, I
Exactly.
mean, it's his first this thing.
No, I haven't changed my team in.
Oh, is it?
Again, freeze time.
Okay, so I'm going to read out his team. Oh God. Okay, De Gea is in goal. He's vice captain, by the way. Stones, Stevens, Nico Williams, Ayling,
What?
Lamela,
Why is
Torres, Son, Bamford, Kane. Bamford is captain, by the way. Martin is in the bench.
Matt.
Evans, Pogba, and Adams.
Okay.
Pogba's on the bench?
Pogba
Yeah.
on the bench.
He's not in the first choice. He has a defender for the first substitute and Pogba in the second substitute.
I only have one question. What is Nico Williams doing there?
Yeah, why is Nico?
I think he
Okay,
liked
yeah.
the name. He probably liked his name or something.
Hey, but you know what? I don't think Bamford has played this game week, has he?
No, he still has this.
Yeah, he still has. So you might be. Yeah, you might be lucky.
He's a frustrating player though. Some game weeks he will score, another game week he will be shit.
Wait. Speaking of which, oh hurry! I have your total points right here.
Me too. I have his total points as well.
I have deleted.
Oh no! Wait.
the
No.
app
No.
from
Wait.
my
Wait. We are
phone.
going chronologically. Let's stick to the.
Okay, A is done. B is
We're all less. We're all less.
You are Sadanand. You're
We're
first.
all less.
Yes.
Sadanand, you're first.
H is before S, no?
S.A.
S
All
A.
are in. Wow, wow.
H, Hari.
His name is Shri Hari.
His
Sorry.
name
Okay, so you guys want to guess my points?
is, no, his name is Sri.
2,300.
I'm guessing. Nah,
Sri
I'm,
Hari.
I'm kidding. Obviously, nobody's hit the 2,000 mark
I
yet.
think it's 1,100.
1,112.
Okay, Hari.
1,500 maybe.
That's
1,100.
wait. Is the
Oh, I'm
post?
so close. Shit.
What is it?
No,
I was 10 off.
Sirish was closer. He said 1,112.
You said 112?
1,112.
What was it actually though?
1,110.
Ah,
Oh.
hey, I was
Okay.
closer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, which leaves Shashtik.
Okay, you guess mine. You know mine, you can see it.
Oh yeah, wait.
I
Let me just go ahead and see your points.
Just
No, don't
7.
see-
Hey!
You can guess it. You can guess it.
1,200.
Nah.
Nah.
There's only one person in our league who said 1,200, and I hate him with all my life. I
know
hate
this
him
is
with a passion.
Why? Wait, are you guys below 1,200?
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay, so 1,150.
Yeah, that's exactly. my
Exact.
Seriously?
It's the exact number.
Damn.
Man's on. Okay, wait. Does that mean I have to go next?
Yeah.
point. By the way, just say I started bottom of the league. I don't know how I planned to fifth.
You're welcome.
Just like Liverpool.
Am I still in? Oh,
No, we didn't start at the bottom of the team. What are you talking about? Anyways, guess my points. Guess my points.
Okay, so you're definitely about 1,150. So
Yeah.
1,175.
Close.
1,162.
Hari, you're just one off.
Oh my.
One off.
I'm at 1,161, and I've had a pretty shite season so far.
I don't lie. 1,161.
No, I'm serious. I think I've forgotten to change my team for like 4 game weeks, and I think for 2 game weeks after that, my players haven't played.
Yeah, I think when Aston Villa's fixtures got postponed, I think even City's at some point got postponed.
Yeah, I was really frustrated.
Everyone got fucked there. Yeah.
All right, time to get to the legend, the man, the myth, the legend.
750 flat.
No,
Is he over 1,000?
no.
No.
Where am I? I only
Okay,
don't know.
Shash, no, you know what I'm
No,
talking
I
about.
know. Arun, what do you think Hari's points are?
Like,
Wait. Is it below 1,200?
Definitely, it's below 1,000.
1,000 is below 1,000.
Arun, you're on 700, so that should give you a...
Wait, Arun is calculating.
Oh, okay. 800.
He's frozen, not calculating.
800.
814.
Nah.
14.
Hari, would you like to guess your points since you
Yeah, would
haven't
you like to guess?
since you've deleted the app?
600?
Wow.
What?
I
You
don't
were on
have
600 when you had the app. You think you haven't moved an inch since you've.
No, I really believe that. I think I have not.
You're very close to 1,000. You're at
You're
997.
a 997.
I mean, that's not
That's not
What?
bad. It's not bad.
for like a forgetting, like second forgetting, that's not bad.
Agreed.
To be fair, I didn't change my team since like 3 months. So
So that's from the beginning of the season.
yeah, exactly. So I made it that time. Then they changed it.
Oh yeah, I made this league and sent it.
Exactly. So
Oh yeah, wait. I had set this guy's team. I had set Hari's team in the beginning.
I've given up on FPL only. That gives me trauma. So
Oh no, it can be one of the most frustrating things on the planet.
Is
you know what is the fun fact? I've not used my wild card and triple captain. But it's still aram se
I
sitting
still have my double captain. Thanks.
I have my triple captain.
Guess who my triple captained?
Salah.
Oh, what am I retarded?
No, I think he triple captain Bruno a while back.
Bro, what?
No, wait, I actually have to go back in time to see who my triple captained.
I think he did that only. Watch.
But FPL is cruel because last week I had Callum Wilson. He didn't do shit, and I removed him.
I had triple captained Kane in game week 12.
Oh,
But he didn't do anything.
No, I got 27. I'm pretty happy.
He gave an assist, I think.
I used to get 27 with Bruno or something.
Yeah, exactly. We're used to getting that with normal captain, so I was like pretty pissed. But I got like 89 that game week, so I was fine.
Wait. How much are you guys on this league?
28 so
So
far.
this week is 29, I think.
No,
Seriously?
I'm on 28, but the
Yeah.
problem is 2 of my defenders haven't played.
Even
So
though
they're on
my
0.
defenders haven't
So I'm
played.
hoping. Oh, never mind. Apparently, neither did Mitchell.
Yeah, he didn't play.
So one of my defenders, considering Alioski plays, one of my defenders is definitely gonna get a 0 this game week because there's nobody in my substitutes to replace
Bro,
them.
for me, Chancelo and Stones didn't play.
For me, Saiz and Stones didn't play. Neither did
he's
Mitchell.
bad.
So the only defender who can play is Justin and Alioski.
Same. Justin is the only one who
Why
can.
do you guys still have Justin?
He's really
He's
good.
pretty good.
He's
Like he's
good.
banging
Pretty
assists
good.
left and right.
Yeah.
And surprisingly, Leicester keep a lot of clean sheets.
They do?
They do.
They did. I remember
Yes,
last
they
season.
They do surprise. I've gotten like good points from Justin every game week.
Maybe I should pick Justin for Van Bissaka.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think game
Justin's
week
very
19 you got 14 points for Justin because he gave an assist and kept a clean sheet.
Yeah.
Last game week he gave like 1 point, but I think for a defender it's like a gamble. It's either hit or miss.
Have you guys gone over 100?
Never.
Yeah. I've gone. I went once.
I've gone last. I went last season once, but
Last season I went. This season I'm asking.
this season nah.
This season I did.
Never in my life.
Wait, the closest I've gotten is I think 89.
No, I went. 100.
Game week 19, Mushash.
Yeah, game week 19.
Wait, game week 19 was your free hit, right?
Game week 19 was my wild card.
You're welcome.
Yeah, no, I
You'd
Yeah.
called me before that.
yeah. I did. No, but I didn't remove many players. I just bought in Wilson, but he didn't do anything.
You used your wild card for that.
No, I changed. I got in Stones, I got in Chancellor, I got in. Yeah, okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm on 40 points by the way this week.
40.
How many of your players are yet to play?
That's crazy.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 players left too.
No, actually, I'm actually on 53 because Mahrez in play and Wilson for substitute. So I'm on 53 technically.
Oh.
I should have captained Eze. If I captained Eze, it would have
I should have just deleted the app like Hari.
Do it.
But
Follow
no,
my
this
lead.
is like it's like being addicted. You can't delete it because there's always that. There's this one person in the league that I desperately want to beat, but I know it's not gonna happen.
You know what? In my league, I was 14th 3 weeks ago, or like not 3 weeks ago. After gaming 15, I was 4th. Slowly, I'm getting there. The
Yeah.
guy on top on 1-3-3-3.
I'm on.
3-3.
Wait, 1-3-3-3. Okay, yeah. So our league, the top guy is on 1-2-0-7, and I think there's another league that I'm a part of. There's somebody there with 1-3-2-7.
What's the highest points like overall?
1-5-0-1, I think. 1-5-0-1, 1-5-0-2.
Yeah, the guy on
Sorry, 1-5-0-4.
Yeah, the guy on top of my league is like the 2000s overall, and in India he's in the hundreds.
Man.
Hey, how they get so many points?
I taught this guy last season. Everything he knows about FPL, I've taught him last season, and this kid is coming and telling me what to do.
Yeah, it's one of the most stressful. But yeah, here there's actually so much more to FPL than just transferring players. So
Irony.
apparently the people apparently it's like business. So what they do is they buy in like cheap players, and once they perform really well, their value increases. They sell them for a
You
profit.
can sell, yeah.
That's what I do.
Yeah, so the top. Oh yeah, we're not at that level yet. We just transfer people for fun. In fact, I still use my points to transfer players.
Yeah, same. I don't mind taking a hit.
No,
Yeah,
I
same.
take like major hits, but they never pay off. So
Dude, I took a 24 point hit once.
24-point hit.
24 or 20, I don't remember. But yeah, it was worth it. I got like 40 points that week, 40 or 50 points that week. So it was fine. That is after the deduction. I don't know how the deductions work.
I think the deductions are
End of the
counted
season.
towards the end of the season.
Yeah, that's what happened last season. The guy on top, they had to recount because they didn't count his minus.
Oh, I'm gonna get fucked when they recount. I'm not gonna stay second anymore.
You're gonna be non-existent then.
Wait, what are your team values now?
Team values. It's
How do you
above
check that?
100. It's obviously a north of 100, but
You scroll down. and
yeah, I know.
I think for me it was 98 or something, 98 million, some stuff like that. I remember that.
My team value as of now is 96, but I have 5.5 in the bank, so that's one not
mine is
1.5.
93 million.
And how
Mine
much?
is 93 million.
How much do you have in the bank?
I'm sorry.
How much do you have in the bank?
Bank 5.
Wait, your value has decreased.
Yeah, what the fuck? Oh yeah, he has Nico Williams.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm basically on 1 not 1.5, so I've had a 1.5 million increase.
How much?
I'm on 95.5 and I have 5.3 in the bank.
Yeah, so that's
Hey,
100.3. You have a 0.3 increase in your team value.
Yeah.
So it's not sure how much I'm on.
1 not 2.
Close enough. I'm on 2.8, and I have 1.4 in the bank.
Oh, damn.
Mad.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
We should get him in our league.
Yeah. No, don't.
No, I want somebody to beat. I want somebody to beat Yashwant Talwar.
Wait, no, I'm not right. Anyway.
No, but you will eventually get ahead of us.
No, I think the way it works is when you add someone into the league, all their game week points up to that point get added to the league.
Yeah.
No, last season I got my friend over. He had to like me.
Start from zero.
No, I
Yeah.
don't think it's like that.
I don't think it's like that anymore, but let's see.
We can get Arun so that you feel better.
Hey, what? Do you know where I am in your league?
Yeah, he's 19th. 20th is bottom of my league.
How is there somebody below you?
There's someone below you.
That's all.
Wait, I won't look at this list.
No, I mean the man's not changed like what? His team in 3 months? That's pretty impressive.
4.
He has his team every week.
It's called sheer luck.
Nah.
You know,
That's got to be some sort of
my-
skill.
He has 8 points this
I
year.
know, right?
That's so sad. See,
Yeah.
there's something to look up to. Look forward to meeting this kid.
Bro,
See, my highest game week points is 91. So is that impressive or bad?
that's good. That's really good. Really outcome.
What? Oh, thank you for listening. That's it. No.
You know what? We're gonna use this as the outro.
Good one.
Make sure me hitting myself. You want a plug?
Oh my god.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys.